Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, we'll show you how to generate unlimited monies in Race Masters. Watch the full video. In this way, you will get unlimited monies. Let's get started now. First step, click on the game. As you can see, it don't have any monies in our account. Everyone just open the game for 1 or 2 seconds. Next step, open your Safari browser or Google Chrome and go to the website upmode.us/rm. It's available on Android and iOS. Second step, please enter your username or ID and select your platform. Please select the amount of monies whatever you want. Click Verify it. To finish this process, first you need to download this game. The final step, you need to play each game for 30 seconds to complete the task. Final result.